Hey, it's been a while, YouTube. What's going on, everybody? Yeah, feast your eyes on this. Your eyes do not deceive you. Yes, you guessed it. It's an unboxing video. Let's pop the cherry on this thing. See? Ha ha ha. This thing's heavy. Take a look at it, guys. Still in the package. Brand new for the show. Some adapters. Gotta have adapters. Not adapters, adapters. Yes, adapters. You gotta have cables. Gotta have cables. So that's a must. Gotta have manualage. Manual. The manual. The manual. And last but not least, gotta be able to power the bad boy up. Gotta be able to power the bad boy up. There it is in the box. I'm not unboxing that. You get the idea. You guys seen power supplies before. But this here peavey model PV8 USB. You can't see it right now. I'm tethered to the power cord for this charger, for this camera, guys. I can't show you my other mixers. But anyway, this is replacing 2 mixers. Until next time, bye.